Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you, friends? Today we have brought for you the recipe of stir-fried chicken. Healthy, nutritious and full of energy. This recipe is ready in minutes. Our special stir-fried chicken recipe is delicious as well as colorful. Just looking at it makes you hungry. Made with very few ingredients, this recipe is such that anyone who eats it will fall in love with this recipe. Let's start with the chicken stir-fry recipe. We have laid out all the recipe ingredients for you. These ingredients include finely chopped carrot, chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 onion sliced like this, 1 green onion chopped long, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of finely ground black pepper, 1 chicken breast piece, lemon, honey and fresh coriander. First, we cut the breast piece into small pieces. Do not cut the chicken into very small pieces. Just try to keep each piece about the size of a 1-bite chicken piece. Put the egg in a bowl and beat it well. Now, put the chicken pieces in a bowl. Add 8 to 10 tablespoons of corn flour, add the egg, add soy sauce, add the vinegar, add chili sauce, add salt to taste, add the black peppers. Now mix all these ingredients well. Leave the chicken to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. The chicken is marinated. Now we will add cooking oil in a frying pan and deep fry this chicken very lightly. Remember that the chicken should not be cooked completely. The oil is heated. Now we will add the marinated chicken one by one. Keep flipping the chicken pieces during the frying so that they do not burn. We have lightly fried the chicken. Now we will take it out on a plate and keep it aside for now. Now add 8 to 10 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan and heat it. Add chopped garlic in oil and fry lightly. Add black pepper and fry them lightly. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, a teaspoon of chili flakes. Now fry all these spices for half to a minute. Add chopped onions and fry for few seconds. Add carrots and fry a little. Add chopped green chilies and fry them lightly. Now is the time to add the previously fried chicken. We will fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high flame. Add chopped ginger and fry for few seconds. Add 2 spoons of honey. Cut a fresh lemon and add its juice. Salt to taste. We have dissolved 2 tablespoons of corn flour in water, which we will now add to the pan and fry for half to a minute. So friends, our chicken stir fry is ready. Now we will turn off the stove. Serve delicious hot and sour chicken stir fry to your family or guests or friends. Anyone who eats it once would like to eat it over and over again. Friends, if you like this recipe of ours, please like and share it. And please subscribe to our channel. May Allah keep you all in the shadow of His mercy and help you in every difficulty. Inshallah, we will meet you soon with the next recipe. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.